What separates profitable contractors from those who constantly struggle with low margins? It isn't always experience. It isn't always being the lowest bidder. More often than not, it's having accurate job cost information. Every estimate you prepare is really a prediction. You're predicting how much labor the project will require, how much materials will cost, how efficiently your crews will perform, and ultimately whether the project will make a profit. But here's the challenge. If those predictions are based on inaccurate historical data, your estimate is already at a disadvantage before the project even begins. That's why accurate job costing is one of the most valuable tools for improving your bidding process. Every completed project contains valuable information. It tells you how many labor hours were actually required. It shows what materials were really used. It reveals production rates, equipment costs, and where unexpected expenses occurred. When you capture that information accurately, your next estimate becomes stronger. Instead of relying on assumptions or memory, you're making decisions based on real performance. That gives you greater confidence when pricing future work. It also helps you avoid one of the biggest mistakes contractors make: winning projects that aren't actually profitable. Remember, the goal isn't to win every bid. The goal is to win the right bids. The ones that protect your margins, support healthy cash flow, and help your business grow. Here's a simple challenge for this week. Before preparing your next estimate, review a similar project you've already completed. Compare the estimated labor hours to the actual hours worked. Review your material costs. Look at equipment expenses and subcontractor costs. Ask yourself, what went well? What surprised us? What should we adjust next time? Those answers become some of the most valuable estimating tools your business can have. Remember this week's key takeaway. The best estimates aren't built on assumptions. They're built on accurate historical job costing.